Joe, Benin, yetabola. Na, yawo, Nevrene Anwa, Mcre and Yazuken. First of all, Benin Kazahe, Bedibeuni Boko, because be Enyan Yanwane, a Kali Boko, but the Bium we work as a Imale pig farming. More your school is a pastoral farming. The method of rearing animal or the system of rearing animals. Besin Burika workers and a kissy Besin Burikala or Yakono Kake. Burika no more a day. And your senior man more like a I won't die on you. John Pig, how are you? These animals are right here in Nzima. You remember I told you Nzima is really blessed because everything can be done right here in Nzima. Pastoral farming, plantation farming, crop rotation, name them. Any other system of farming can be done right here in Nzima. And the land can nurture them very well. Look at these piglets. Mburika maramo, benyingrama, they are fine. Nzima, yeah, wow. Hi. Obosona adwene ne ndrebe bozo. Missy, Nzima, li ezukwa vre azere. Na de biala, ye ba hore aye once make say. The baby and Nekamo, your bank young rang a year once make a say. Yagala Mbuliki, be from kiss. I have to show you all this. I have to show you. I'm with their owners, they are here, so I'm just taking footages of these pigs. John Pig, and about 1 grandma. Wow, senior man Lila. Can you see senior man? Senior man, sorry, you mamma Vawichi or the. Hey. I'm going to come my young grandma work as a go for the my vehicle. A killing's more, a killing's man. Nzima, it's about time, okay? You be a good leader. If you be more about your hands, money, moya. And who could that person be? Yes, because Nunga Nzimani, see more yet, you free. Ejimami belly once make us alone. It's going to shock people. Yeah, camera can like him to any amount. Moji, the one answer. It is going to shock you people. Look at this particular pig. In your own toy. Serious. Camera G coming. Yeah, Bema Benny Home na. Hey.